Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to remove shorts videos from your channel. To do this, you simply go to your YouTube channel. Next, you go into the app, and you click on your account. Then you open and click on Your Videos. Now you click on the Shorts button, and this will bring up all the videos that you have posted. Now you select the video you want, and click on the three dots. Then you click on Delete. You clicked it, and delete your video. Now it's deleted, and it's no longer on your channel. The main thing is not to confuse, as you can see. This is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.